spot a flaw in your latest haul and need your money back. Don't stress, refunding on Pandabuy is easier than you think. Let's dive in. First, head to your orders page. You can find this in your personal user center. Just click on the little person icon usually located at the bottom right of your screen. Now, locate the order containing the item you want to return. Click on Order Details to view everything about that purchase. Scroll down until you see the Submit After Sales Request button. It might also say Apply for Refund. Click on that button to start the refund process. Okay, now fill out the form. Select the reason for your refund. Be as specific as possible. This helps them understand the issue quickly. Then, input the amount you are requesting to be refunded. This is super important. Upload clear photos or videos showing the defect or issue. The more evidence you provide, the smoother your refund will be. Once you've filled everything out and added your pictures or videos, carefully review it, then click Submit. You'll be taken to the After Sales Record page where you can track the progress of your refund request. Pandabuy will review your request, which can take a few days. Keep an eye on your notifications. Once approved, the refund will be processed back to your original payment method. Refund times vary, so be patient. That's all there is to it.